Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you the best Animal Company promo codes in 2026. I've managed to find some working promo codes for Animal Company VR that's going to supply you with tons of free coins. So you can get 25,000 free company coins, you can unlock all skins, and you can even get a secret mod menu as well, guys. So before I show you these Animal Company promo codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always searching for brand new codes. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into this video. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain these promo codes, and then you can simply redeem them in the computer in Animal Company. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. And Crash Coupons is a awesome game code website. I'm just scrolling down, and as you can see, they have so many different pages on here, guys, with some of the latest games and other stuff. So there is a search bar, and that makes it a lot easier to just navigate to the Animal Company promo codes page. As you can see, there is a bunch of different codes on this page, and these are really popular, with hundreds of people using them today. And as I mentioned, you can get a code to get all the skins. You can get 100 free research points. You can get 25,000 free company coins. You can unlock all items and get mod menu. So just select the code you want. I'm going to select the free coins code. And these are limited codes working right now in 2026, so you can literally grab one of these codes and redeem it in game. So as you can see, it's looking for a code, and once it finds one, it's going to allocate you one. Now these are limited codes, and considering they give you 25,000 free coins, this does prevent people getting more than one of these codes. So you need to unlock your code, guys. So click on this button and follow the instructions on this page here. Now I've already done this, so I won't do it again. I don't want to waste the code, but basically you need to complete 2 of the free offers on this page, and you're going to have a list of tasks. They're all completely free. They take about 5 minutes. You just got to make sure you follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. Once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company promo code will be revealed in this box. And you simply redeem it in game, and this one is going to give you 25,000 free company coins, but they do have other stuff as well. So go to Crash Coupons. If you need any assistance or have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is super simple if you follow the instructions. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.